chemical reactions. And again, we talked about thermodynamics, which is the relationship between the heat energy and other forms of energy. So for that case, the term standard in this case is used to refer to a chemical reactions that is taking place, or a chemical reaction, or chemical reactions that are taking place under the conditions, of course, that we have mentioned to be standard, which is 1 atmosphere and 25 degrees centigrade. So in this case, when we said that in a chemical reaction we have reactants which are reacting to form products, therefore it implies that the reactants are reacting at standard conditions 1 atmosphere and 25 degrees centigrade of temperature, and the products are formed under the standard condition. So in trying to show this aspect of enthalpy, that it's occurring under the standard conditions, then we shall have the standard enthalpy of maybe formation, reaction, etc., demonstrated as, we said this is the change in delta H, change in enthalpy. So for that case, we shall demonstrate that using a superscript, that small note there, which is read as delta H0. That is the standard enthalpy of maybe reaction and formation. And that case, we're going to use a subscript for formation as F. So this one denotes the standard enthalpy of formation, whereby this note, this small 0 there, denotes standard, and then F denotes formation. So that's a symbol that we're going to use. And this, of course, enthalpy change for any chemical reaction in which the reactants are in their standard state yield a product in its standard state, as I have said. So for instance, let's look at a general case for a reaction which is taking place. Maybe we have the reactants as A plus B, and we shall form a product AB. And if these ones are reacting under the standard conditions A and B, then the product is going to be formed under standard conditions. So this is a formation reaction, and the standard enthalpy for this one, we call it a standard enthalpy of formation, which is denoted, as I have said, as delta H F naught. So for that case, we can give an example of the reaction that we can use to demonstrate that kind of a reaction. Let's give, for example, carbon reacting with chlorine. So chlorine to form tetrachloro. Compound, that's a liquid. And then we have, this is a gas. This basically is graphite, is going to be solid. So in that case, we have the standard enthalpy of formation, which is delta H naught F given as. So this is an exothermic reaction. It entails evolution of heat, so we are going to have that one as negative 139 kilojoules per mole of heat. So 139 kilojoules per mole.